Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here. Welcome to Softech. And in this session, we are going to discuss the transaction codes related to testing. This is for all the modules, and we need to know what are the transaction codes that we use for testing. And maybe you will not be working in the testing part, but it's mandatory for us to know all the transaction codes, at least the basic transaction codes. What I mean to say. So this is just for a revision, quick revision of all the transaction codes, which will complete in less than 4 minutes. Okay. Now, if at all, if you're looking out for any SAP trainings, you can contact us at info@jsoftech.com. And if you like this video, do click on the like button, share it with your friends so that it will help them as well. And do subscribe to our channel www.youtube.com/jsoftech. And do not forget to click on the bell button to get frequent notifications whenever we upload the videos. Okay, so SAP test transaction codes. The T codes are like TST 0002 is actually for financials related to business partners. Test underscore text editor. This is for test program for text editor. Test 6999 is for number range maintenance. Test underscore clear is for any application programming interface data cleansing. And test underscore text edit is for test for text edit wrapper. And SCCAT, it's for extended computer aided test tool. STWB underscore work is for tester work list. STWB underscore 2 is for test plan management. XSLT is for XSLT tester. WE19 is for test tools. SLD check is for test SLD connection. It's for basis system landscape directory and component repository. SCAT is for computer aided test tool. It's basic for CAT computer aided test tools. And Solar 01 is for SAP Solution Manager Blueprint. This is related to the Solution Manager implementation. TTARQ is for test environment for leave request. MDX test is for MDX test panel. It's for basically it's a BW lab technology. And STRUST SSO2 is for trust manager for logon ticket. It's related to basis security. Solar 02 is for solution manager configurations. QA01 is for create inspection lot quality inspection. Solar underscore project underscore admin is for project administration on the solution manager implementation. SWUS is for test workflow basis on SAP business workflow. QS21 is for create master characteristic, and it's for quality management. This is for create master inspection characteristic. IT14 is for test ITS underscore ERR MSG underscore exception. It's for SAP Internet Transaction Server. POPT is for packing instruction master data, logistics master data. SXDA underscore tools, DX workbench tools. It's for basis data transfer workbench. IT00 is for test ISC, basis SAP Internet Transaction Server. QC21 is for quality certificate for the inspection lot. This is for basic data for certificates. MF30 is for create prelim cost test, production cost collection, repetitive manufacturing. BCALV underscore edit underscore 07, ALV grid control test transaction, basis for SAP GUI for HTML. WA14 is for test outbound processing, basis for ALE integration technology. QC01 is for create certificate profile, the quality management basic data for certificates. WA16 is for test inbound file, basis ALE integration technology. WA15 is for test outbound processing from MC. It's ALE integration technology. SXI underscore mapping underscore test is for test environment for all. So it's a basis integration builder configuration. RSDEMO02 test transaction table control, basis SAP Internet Transaction Server. These are few of the transaction codes on the testing. I'll soon get back to you with few more transactions on testing. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if at all, if you are looking out for SAP trainings, you can contact us at info@jlsofty.com. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.